Welcome back to Vacation Quest. From the rolling hills of the Northeast to the rolling prairies of the West, there's something for everyone in the Hawkeye State. So grab your map and let's hit the road. Here are top 15 small towns you must visit in Iowa. Number 15. Orange City. This picturesque town of just over 6,000 residents is located in the northwest corner of the state. Known for its Dutch heritage and annual Tulip Festival, Orange City is the perfect place to get a taste of small-town life. In addition to its beautiful parks and recreational opportunities, Orange City is also home to a number of unique shops and restaurants that are sure to delight. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious Dutch meal or just want to browse the local boutiques, there's something for everyone in Orange City. And with its rich history and cultural offerings, there's no shortage of things to do in this charming town. Number 14. Decorah. Nestled among the bluffs of the Upper Iowa River, Decorah is a town of 8,000 that's rich in history and outdoor recreation. Don't miss the chance to visit the Vesterheim Norwegian-American Museum, which tells the story of the early Norwegian settlers who called Decorah home. Or take a hike along the beautiful trails at Palisades Park, which offers stunning views of the surrounding countryside. In addition to its natural beauty, Decorah is also home to a variety of unique shops and restaurants that are sure to satisfy any appetite. Number 13. Mount Vernon. Located in the heart of the state, Mount Vernon is a friendly town of just over 4,000 that will welcome you with open arms. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious meal or just want to browse the local boutiques, there's something for everyone in Mount Vernon. And with its beautiful parks and recreational opportunities, rich history and cultural offerings, there's no shortage of things to do in Mount Vernon. Number 12. Grinnell. This town of just over 9,000 is located in central Iowa and is home to Grinnell College, a prestigious liberal arts school. In addition to its educational offerings, Grinnell is also home to a number of charming bed and breakfasts, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind. Grinnell is also a great place to spend a weekend exploring the great outdoors. Number 11. Amana Colonies. Located in eastern Iowa, the Amana Colonies are a series of 7 small towns that were founded by German pietists in the mid-19th century. Today, these quaint communities are known for their beautiful old-world architecture, delicious restaurants, and unique artisanal shops. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty German meal or just want to browse the local boutiques, there's something for everyone in the Amana Colonies. Number 10. Pella. This town of just over 10,000 is located in central Iowa and is home to the famous Pella Dutch Heritage Village, a living history museum that showcases the lives of the early Dutch settlers who called Pella home. Don't miss the annual Tulip Time Festival, which celebrates the town's Dutch heritage with parades, performances, and of course, tulips. Number 9. Elkader. Located in the northeast corner of the state, Elkader is a charming town of only 1,000. Be sure to check out the beautiful Elkader Opera House, which was built in 1884 and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. In addition to its cultural offerings, Elkader is also home to a number of unique shops and restaurants that are sure to satisfy any appetite. Number 7. Elkader. Located along the Mississippi River in eastern Iowa, Elkader is a charming town of just over 4,000 that's known for its historic downtown area and its role as the home of antique archaeology, the shop featured on the hit TV show American Pickers. Whether you're a fan of the show or just looking for a unique shopping experience, Elkader is the place to be. In addition to its boutiques and antique shops, Elkader is also home to a number of delicious restaurants that you are sure to leave full and satisfied. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious meal or just want to sit back and relax with a cup of coffee, you're bound to have a great time in Elkader. Number 6. Perry. Located in central Iowa, Perry is a town of 7,000 that's rich in history and small-town charm. If you're adding Perry to your itinerary, then be sure to check out the beautiful Hotel Patty. It was built over 100 years ago in 1913 and is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Number 5. Winterset. This small town of just 5,000 is in central Iowa and known as the birthplace of Hollywood legend John Wayne. The Wayne Birthplace Museum is a must-see for fans of the Duke. and the charming downtown area is home to unique shops and restaurants. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious meal or just want to browse the local shops, you're going to have a good time in Winterset. Number 4. Oskaloosa. Found in south-central Iowa, Oskaloosa is a town of 11,000. If you're going, be sure to check out the beautiful Penn Central Mall, which is home to many unique shops and restaurants that are sure to offer more than you're looking for. Whether you're in the mood for a delicious meal or just want to browse around, there's something for everyone in Oskaloosa. And with its beautiful parks and recreational opportunities, Oskaloosa is a great place to spend a weekend outside. Number 3. Spencer. Nestled in the rolling hills of northwest Iowa, Spencer is another town of 11,000 that's known for its beautiful parks and outdoor recreation opportunities. Be sure to check out the Clay County Fair, which is held each September and features carnival rides, live music, and delicious food, in addition to its annual fair. Number 2. Fairfield. This charming town of 10,000 heartwarming residents is located in southeast Iowa and is known for its vibrant arts community. Be sure to check out the Fairfield Art Association, which hosts a variety of exhibitions and events throughout the year. There's plenty more to see in Fairfield, but we won't spoil the surprise. And for number 1, Indianola. Located in south-central Iowa, Indianola is a town with a population 15,000 that's known for its annual National Balloon Classic, which attracts hot air balloon enthusiasts from all over the country. So there you have it, 15 small towns in Iowa that you simply must see. From the rolling hills of the Northeast to the rolling prairies of the West, these charming communities offer a little something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an outdoor enthusiast, or just looking for a relaxing getaway, there's a small town in Iowa that's sure to capture your heart. So pack your bags and start exploring all that the Hawkeye State has to offer. Until next time, and thanks for watching.